Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best brake pads for the Silverado 2500HD, available on the market today. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, or value, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the PowerStop 1565 Z16 Evolution front ceramic brake pads. These brake pads are designed for those who prioritize low dust and hassle-free maintenance. Featuring the thermal scorched surface, these pads ensure a shorter break-in period, making them ready to perform right out of the box. The chamfered and slotted design mimics OE, original equipment specifications, which minimizes noise during operation and delivers smooth, consistent braking. The build quality here is impressive, with the ceramic material offering excellent durability and resistance to wear. While they are designed for everyday use, rather than heavy-duty towing or off-road conditions, the Z16 pads perform admirably in standard driving scenarios. The low-dust formula keeps your wheels cleaner for longer, a small but welcome feature for those who take pride in their vehicle's appearance. If you're looking for a reliable option for daily driving, these pads are a solid choice. However, they may not deliver the level of performance needed for towing or hauling. Pros include the fast break-in time and low dust, while the main con is their limited suitability for heavy-duty applications. For $51.78, they're a dependable pick for light-duty users. Coming in at number 4, we have the DiZJKWJW D1411 front-rear ceramic brake pad set. This is a full set of 8 brake pads, covering both front and rear positions, making it an excellent option for those seeking a complete replacement solution. These pads are specifically designed for 2011 to 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD and 3500HD models, as well as their GMC Sierra counterparts, ensuring a perfect fit for a wide range of applications. The standout feature here is the exceptional quality of the ceramic material used. These brake pads are durable, stable, and produce minimal dust, keeping your wheels cleaner over time. They're also designed to deliver steady, reliable braking performance, which is particularly valuable when driving a heavy-duty truck. The inclusion of both front and rear pads in one package also saves you time and effort when replacing your braking system. While the price is not readily available, the performance and convenience this set offers make it a competitive choice. Pros include the complete set design and outstanding durability, while the lack of detailed pricing information is a downside. If you're looking for a comprehensive brake pad replacement for your Silverado, this set is worth considering. At number 3, we have the AC Delco Silver 14D784CH ceramic front disc brake pad set with hardware, which is our budget pick for this list. Despite its low price of just $34.88, this set offers excellent quality and reliability. It's a great option for those who need dependable braking performance without breaking the bank. The ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic formulas used in these pads provide safety and reliability across a range of vehicle applications. The design includes basic shins, slots, and chamfers to reduce noise, vibration, and overall braking harshness. These pads are ready to install straight out of the box, requiring no curing or machining, which adds to their convenience. While they may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, they get the job done effectively and are ideal for light-duty use. The AC Delco Silver pads are perfect for budget-conscious drivers who need a reliable solution for everyday driving. Pros include the low price and ease of installation, while the cons are limited advanced features and performance under extreme conditions. For a price of $34.88, this product delivers great value for the money. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your choices for the best brake pads for your Silverado 2500HD. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.